What's up, YouTube? It's your girl TayaLatrice, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be me trying on some lashes for the very first time. You guys, I have never used lashes before. I never felt as though I needed them because my lashes are naturally full and they curl up and everything, so I never needed like an eyelash curler or anything like that. So I bought some magnetic lashes on Amazon. So I'm going to be trying these out. Of course, I would have liked to use regular lashes, but I've seen plenty of videos where a lot of women have been struggling trying to put on regular lashes. So I felt like for me, it might be easier to try the magnetic lashes. So these are the ones I got. I got these off Amazon. They costed about $7 and some change. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on and see how I like them. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here are the lashes. The ones that I want to give a try are these big ones at the bottom. Go big or go home, right? So they got they have about 5 magnetic strips on each lash, if you guys can see at the top there. And it comes with 2 tubes of the application or the eyeliner, and then applicator. So I never, like I said, I never used or put on lashes before, so I don't really know how to use this stuff. But I did get an eyelash curler because I know my lashes are super curly, so I kind of think I was going to use this to pull my eyelashes down some so that I can apply, because they're like super curly. So ooh, child, looks scary. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Y'all, this is probably a blooper. Oh my goodness. Like I said, it's my first time trying lashes on, so don't judge me. It might take a few tries. Okay, so this is what the applicator looks like, y'all. Let me see if I can try to do this. Yeah. If I can try to like. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. Let me pull it down some. I don't know if I'm putting it on right, or if I even have it like. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Oh, I was supposed to use this to put it on. Oops. See if I can get it closer to my natural lashes. Y'all, I feel like I'm about to fly away with this on. I don't get how you're supposed to apply this with this metal when the magnet keeps sticking to it. And it's lifting up right here. I need some more of the magnetic. Y'all, this is probably a fail. It's probably gonna be a fail. I don't know how to do this. So I need some more right there. Well, I didn't get it in my eye, so I guess I'm doing good for that part. I can see like where my lashes are and where the fake lashes is. I don't know if it's because my eyelashes are curly. Let me try to see if I can uncurl them. I think you're supposed to like go upside down with this to uncurl your lashes. Y'all, did I just mess them up? Y'all see how y'all can see that it's because my curly lashes are pushing the fake lash up. But I guess it was good for my first try. So maybe the eyelash curler won't work. Maybe I just have to hold my lashes down. I'm gonna try like this. Because it kept getting, the stuff kept getting stuck to here, the magnets. So let me try this other eye, y'all, and see what I got going on. I know when my husband get home, he's gonna be like, what in the world are you doing? Okay, y'all, so here we go. I'm gonna try to get it like really close this time. Like really close. Because last time I don't think I got it close enough. Like my real lashes are in the way. Even we're trying to apply this. Okay, y'all. So let's try to. I mean, so far this is really easy. I feel like if I really didn't have like curly eyelashes, I feel like it might be better. Make sure it's slid down good, and then everything is stuck. Okay, now I'm gonna try to now that one looks better. See how you can't see like my skin, like on this side. You can see like my skin right here separating it, but on this side you can't really see. So I think that one looks better. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is me with lashes for the first time. OMG. It feels weird, y'all. It feels weird to have lashes on. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm feeling like, is it still on there? Like, every time I blink, it feels weird. But that's how it looks. I think I did okay for my very first time. I feel like the more I do it, it'll be better. Look. I feel like I'm flapping away, y'all. Flapping away. But yeah, these lashes are really, really cute. I probably should have used these ones. I don't know. Those ones. Or maybe these ones right here. I probably should have used those. Definitely not these base ones, because I don't know how that will look. I don't think that will look good. But this is cute, y'all, for $7. $7 on Amazon. Y'all, I wear glasses, so that's the reason why I don't wear fake lashes. But let me see how they look with my glasses on. Oh my gosh. I feel like it looks crazy with my glasses on. Yeah, because I can feel the lashes like touching my glasses whenever I blink. But I think it's cute. But that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching this video, watching me apply my lashes for the first time. I can say that I do like the magnetic lashes. The process easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it, y'all. Like I said, never ever have applied lashes, but this so easy. Just snap them on. So yeah, and I actually do like how they look. But yeah, and $7, you can't beat that for five pair of lashes and two eyeliners and the application for $7 and some change. You can't beat it. But thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like how I did my lashes. I hope I did a good job. If you have any tips for me, please leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey, look, you like my lashes?
Like you go to fly away.